Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's videos we're going to have the unboxing and a review of the Mibro Color. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys is we have here the Mibro Color, and I actually got this one for around 1,729 pesos or $35. And here are the product specifications guys. So it has a body dimension of 43 by 35 millimeters, and the thickness is 10.2 millimeters. Band dimension it's 20 millimeters, and the weight is 52 grams including the strap. And the material guys, it's Metal+PC or ABS plus liquid silicone rubber. The display is 1.5-inch HD screen. Battery capacity is 270 milliamperes, and the battery life, it's daily mode, it can last up to 7 days, or basic mode for 10 days. And the charging guys is magnetic charging cable, Bluetooth version 5. And the sensor, it has heart rate, blood oxygen sensor. And the water and dust proof, it's 5 ATM. Alright guys, so now let's see the box. So as you can see guys, there is a Mibro Color branding in front of the box, and on the side, so we have here sport tracking, dynamic heart rate, blood oxygen, and 5 ATM. Okay, it's waterproof guys, so it means you can submerge this one up for up to 50 meters. And at the back, so we have here some information about the model and the Bluetooth version guys. Okay, so the color that we have is tarnish. So let's open guys. Alright, so okay, this is the watch itself. Okay, we have here the information, quick guide, and as you can see guys, our charger is already magnetic and it's more like a dock style, so it's nice. And we have here the Mibro Color manual. So if you have any questions, just refer to your manual as well. Okay, so let's have here our Mibro Color. So let's take this one off. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is the screen of our watch, and here is the strap. So it's 20 millimeters and it has lots of holes in it guys, so it can fit to your watch easily. Strap also, there's Mibro branding. And at the back, so we have here the sensors and the charging ports here. Okay, and as you can see, it really looks nice guys, and it also feels premium, and based on the specification, it is made of metal. Okay, so let's try to turn it on guys. Okay, so it has a Mibro branding there, and guys, I already set it up before we have the re-unboxing for you to really know about the watch. Okay, so we have here the watch face. Okay, I actually already downloaded this watch face before, so you can find the watch face on the Mibro Fit application. Okay, so we have here also guys, on the sides we have here the home button, and on the left there's none. Alright, so now let's try to swipe down guys. So as you can see the different kinds of shortcuts. We have here lock mode and the settings, and we have here the brightness, do not disturb mode, and the off and on icon there. Okay, and we also have here the QR code. Alright, so now let's swipe up. So you will have this message icon here, so it means that when you successfully connected it to your application, then you will receive the messages as well. So let's swipe to the right. So you have here the shortcut for the recent application that you opened. Okay, and then let's swipe to the left. You can see the widgets. So we have here heart rate, activity, weather, recent pressure, music. Okay, so now let's try to press the home button guys to access the application. So, and the same as the other watch guys, so it has the heart rate, And we have here the sports. So let's try to look at how many sports mode does it have. So we have here treadmill, outdoor running, cycling, outdoor cycling, walking, football, badminton, tennis, basketball, elliptical machine, on foot, yoga, strength, trail, trekking, free training. Wow, so we have lots of sports mode, guys, that you can choose to. Okay, and then we also have here the SpO2 or the blood oxygen level. It is nice so that you can measure whenever you want to check your SpO2. And then we also have here the timer. Okay, and we have here breath training, especially if you get stressed, guys, so you can use this function. We also have here sleep report or sleep monitoring and the weather. Okay, we also have here activity, how many steps that you had. Okay, and we have here met, so it means that the value of your exercise. The Bluetooth music control, a stopwatch, and we also have your calculator, and we have here the settings. So in the settings, guys, you can adjust the brightness. So look at the watch, guys, so it can be really bright when you turn it on to its max brightness. Okay, and we also have your off time, so the duration that you want your watch to be turned on. And we also have your raise to wake, do not disturb, vibration, language, connect to mobile phone, about, factory reset, and restart and shut down. Okay, so now let's count, guys, how many watch faces does it have. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it can only have 6 watch faces and 1 custom watch face. So there are plenty of watch faces, guys, on the Mibro application. Okay, so now, guys, I'm gonna give also my review about this one. I actually used this one for a couple of days, and here are the things that I can say about the product. Okay, let's start first with the battery. So actually the battery is really nice, guys, so it can last you for around 7 days, because since I got this product, I still have 46%, and 2 days ago it was around 70%. What I like the most also is the charger. Okay, it is magnetic, so you can easily place this one, and it is pretty much durable. Okay, so it is nice. Thank you, Xiaomi, for this. And also the design, guys, and the quality, it really looks premium, and it also feels comfortable to wear. And the strap is not hot, guys, because I actually had before some watches, and when you wear it for a long time, it can give you that kind of heat on your wrists. What I think is the things that could be improved, guys, could be the UI, because the UI, it feels, for me, it's a little bit dull, especially the text. I'm not sure, guys, but for me, I don't really like the text and the font. It kind of looks like a little bit downgrade for me. Okay, and I also hope that the watch faces can be upgraded or can be updated, that you can store for maybe 3 custom watch faces. Also, the bezels, it doesn't really look thin, so as you can see, guys, it is quite big on the sides, but when you try to use another watch face, it is not really recognizable. But other than that, guys, with the price of $35, it is really worth it, I think. I can really recommend you this watch, especially if you're on a tight budget and you want a smartwatch that can really do basic functions. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.